So today we are here to announce a full-time, in-person learning experience in the fall. That's the fall 2021 to be specific. The conditions are right, the pandemic is slowing, and we have access to vaccinations. We are creating the conditions for our children to come back to school safe. It's imperative that we create the best conditions for our students, and I believe that's in-person learning. Our educators have done a great job over this last year, and they will be able to continue to use the creative and innovative tools they've learned over this past year. It will all be done in the context of what's best for students, and that is when teachers and students can have that in-person connection. We have many years of returning in the fall. We know what we're doing in that space, and we have successfully done that. And as we do this, it's going to be really important to work with our educators, our families, and students to guide this reopening. The health and safety of our students is our top priority. Therefore, we will be working with public health officials to understand what we need to do for that safe return. From classrooms to the boardroom, we'll be working to ensure that every student has the best, high-quality, engaging education, welcoming environments, and healthy learning environment. For many students, their mental health has suffered this year. And so we'll be focused on what we're calling a culture of care for our schools, not just with our students, but with our staff. Some of our students actually had great success in our virtual classroom. So let me be clear that we will also have a remote option for those families continuing in a remote space. Other students, unfortunately, found freedom from racism, bullying, and harassment while learning at home. So I am committed to making sure that our in-person classrooms are safe and nurturing and affirming for all students, and that we continue the really important work on anti-racism and educational justice. The needs of our students will be informing how we return in the fall. We are already working on the plan. We will be working with our board as our plans emerge and develop, and we'll be submitting a plan to OSPI here in June. It is my goal that we come back this time next year and celebrate what a great year we had in 2021-22. For now, we're going to finish this year strong, and we're going to continue to do our very best for students. And we're going to continue to create the conditions for students to thrive.